Greetings to all. Today we will discuss coordinate bond or dative bond. Let us take an example of covalent bond, that is hydrochloric acid. In the formation of a single covalent bond, there is contribution of one electron from each atom. Only then there is formation of covalent bond will take place. This coordinate bond or dative bond is similar to the covalent bond, or it has similar properties just like covalent bond, but it is different from the covalent bond. In hydrochloric acid, one electron is of hydrogen atom and one electron is the chlorine atom, so that each atom becomes stable by sharing their electrons. By sharing one electron, chlorine atom completes its octet, whereas hydrogen atom completes its duplet and become stable. This is covalent bond. In case of coordinate bond, only one atom contributes both the electrons to the bond, but those electrons are shared by both atoms. This bond is also known as dative bond. Let us take an example of coordinate bond, that is carbon monoxide. Here the valence electrons of carbon are denoted by cross, whereas the valence electrons of oxygen are denoted by dot, so that we can easily distinguish between these two atoms electron. Here triple bond is present between these two atoms, and out of these three bonds, two electrons or two bonds are simple covalent bond, which are formed by the sharing of two electrons of each atom, that is carbon and oxygen. They mutual share two electron and form two covalent bond, whereas the triple bond which is present between these two atoms is a coordinate bond or a dative bond, in which both the electrons are of carbon atom and shared by both atoms, that are carbon and oxygen. This bond is look like as the covalent bond, as both the electrons are shared by oxygen atom, so this third bond is represented by an arrow, in which oxygen is donor and carbon is acceptor. It is identical to a regular covalent bond, as during the formation of the coordinate bond, oxygen is donor, therefore there is partial positive charge on the oxygen atom, whereas carbon is acceptor, so it acquires partial negative charge.